If you want to steady the video footage with your camera, I highly recommend getting the 3K black Joby GorillaPod. You can take it wherever you go just by putting it in your bag. You can also steady a camera on any surface. In this video, I'm going to unbox the 3K Joby GorillaPod kit and show you some of its uses. Here's a box the 3K GorillaPod came in. On the outside, it shows you the different uses for vlogging, sitting on a tree, or just standing on a desk. Here it shows some pictures of how it's used. Let's have a look inside the box. You have a piece of paper of all the components of the Gorilla kit. And here's the black 3K Joby GorillaPod. Some of the features include it's very sturdy. On the bottom you got these 3 legs that have a strong rubber grip so it can hold steady on any surface. You can also bend these legs so you can wrap it around a tree, bend them all together. You can use it for vlogging. This will hold your camera steady. I say it's approximately about 1 foot in height. It can hold up to 3 kilograms or 6.5 pounds. It's got this removable ball head at the top. So it's a nice red color here. If you adjust the screw, you can move around the ball head any way you like. You got this bubble level here so you can make sure that your camera is level. If you push this button here on the side, you can slide this top out. Then you can just screw this into the bottom of the camera. Once you've done that, you can just slide it quickly into the top of the tripod. So I've got my tripod here. I can just slide it like so into the top of the ball head, and it just clicks into place. And now I can just use it however I want. So if I'm vlogging, I can just hold up the camera like so. When I'm finished, I can just push this button and slide out the camera. So that's really handy. And also this ball head, you can just adjust it here. It can slide so you can move it around like 360 degrees. Alternatively, you can just slide this ball head right in here, clips into place. Here you got your level, and you can screw your camera on top here. So I've screwed the camera on top of the tripod, like so. So if you want to get some steady footage while you're out and about, I highly recommend getting the black Joby GorillaPod 3K kit. Let me show you some examples of how I use it. If you want to get the black Joby GorillaPod 3K kit, click the link in the description below this video. So what are some of the cons? It could be a little bit taller because I still have to put a few books under it while filming at my desk. It's also a much heavier kit than my original GorillaPod where I'm just using my iPhone. Click the link in the card if you want to watch my review of the original GorillaPod where I'm using it with my iPhone. Let me know in the comments below if you're using the Joby GorillaPod. I'd love to read the comments, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to film steady video footage with your camera, I highly recommend getting the 3K Joby Gorilla Kit. Just click the link in the description below this video. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to get a list of all the video gear I use to create, film, and edit my YouTube videos? Download my video gear guide below. It will also give you video reviews of the equipment I use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.